What's up, guys? I'm Jason. You know what the most popular night market snacks are in China? Yeah, definitely 烧烤 and matcha. Today I will show you a few steps to cook hot and spicy crawfishes at home. Let's get it started.
A kilo of fresh crawfishes,
ginger, onion, and garlic.
hot pot soup base, and beer, scallion, and cilantro for the topping.
Remove the carapace and the brain first, then the gills and the intestines. Clean the abdomen with a brush. Dice the onion. Slice the garlic and ginger. Chop the soup base. Add some oil to the wok. Heat the oil for about 30 seconds. Fry the seasoning. If you fancy a strong taste, add some dried peppers. Add the Sichuan flavored soup base. When the soup base slices all melt, add the crawfishes. Stir the crawfishes evenly and fry them for 3 minutes. Time to add the beer. Boil the crawfishes for another 7 minutes. Serve it and top the dish with scallion and cilantro.
This is a dish made by Chef Jason. Thank you for watching this video. By the way, guys, I'm looking forward to seeing your work. See you around.